Hi guys, I wanted to show you guys a new digital I have in my shop, and it's in color, but I also have it in black and white, and there are 4 different pages, and then there's this one. And I also have, so I have these where you just print them. They're just 8.5 by 11 sheets, and you just print them out. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys that I also have these pictures in 4 by 6, and right in the middle there where the picture kind of breaks up, I added a sentiment that can also be used in a journal. These here are the 4 by 6 minis because they're basically 4 by 6 images, and there's 2 per picture, so you can cut them down and just cut them to a smaller size, which I absolutely love the size for junk journals. And so I had some leftover space in between each photo, so instead of just cropping part of the picture out and making it a little bit bigger, I decided to add some sentiments on there. So those could be used for journals. I thought that I like to use them like that, so I decided to give everyone that option. And so these are the 4 by 6s, and if you do like to print on, if you like the way, you know, a photo print feels or looks in a journal, these, you can just go with these. But then if you just like to print on your printer and cut them out and make tags or journaling cards, you can just go with these. So I have 2 options up in my Etsy shop, and they are both under printable photos. So I hope you guys like these. I can't wait to actually work with these. I've actually been working with a lot of florals and pinks lately. I'm preparing to make a journal with basically just more of a shabby chic look. So I've been kind of trying to design some more digitals to go with kind of that theme. So hopefully I'll have more to share soon.